This video will explore 10 jaw-dropping new inventions that prove just how far technology has come and how strange it's getting. From mind control devices to flying bikes, these breakthroughs are changing everything. Stick around until number 1 to discover the invention that could redefine how we interact with the digital world. 10. Lenovo's solar-powered yoga PC concept. Lenovo's solar-powered yoga PC concept represents an ambitious leap towards sustainable and autonomous computing. By integrating high-efficiency photovoltaic panels into the laptop's design, the device can harness solar energy to reduce or even eliminate reliance on traditional electrical outlets. This caters to a growing market of environmentally conscious consumers and professionals who require mobility and sustainability in their tech tools. Future iterations may incorporate self-adjusting panels that track sunlight for maximum energy capture and intelligent energy management systems that balance solar input with power consumption for optimal performance, even under variable lighting conditions. Additionally, this concept highlights the growing demand for technology that not only enhances user convenience, but also addresses environmental sustainability challenges facing the modern world. 9. The Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike redefines personal aerial transportation by combining jet propulsion with advanced stabilization technology. With a top speed of 124 miles per hour, it employs a sophisticated gyroscopic stabilization system and redundant control algorithms that ensure stability and safety even at high speeds. The absence of external propellers improves aerodynamic efficiency and reduces mechanical vulnerability. Beyond recreational use, potential applications include first responder deployment in congested urban areas, rapid transport in disaster zones, and military reconnaissance. Designers are exploring enhanced battery technologies and lightweight composite materials to extend range and payload capacity. As urban air mobility becomes a growing field, the Volonaut Airbike could pave the way for compact, personal flying vehicles accessible to a broader market. 8. 1X Neo Robot assists in gardening. Developed by Norwegian robotics firm 1X, the Neo robot embodies the next generation of domestic robotics. It integrates machine learning models trained on thousands of household tasks, coupled with LiDAR, stereoscopic cameras, and tactile sensors for precise environmental navigation. Neo has demonstrated capabilities in leaf gathering and light gardening, but its architecture allows for continuous learning and adaptability. Future models are expected to perform advanced horticultural tasks, including soil pH measurement, targeted pest control using eco-friendly substances, and dynamic landscape design suggestions through AI-driven analysis. This technology could eventually lead to fully autonomous gardening systems that maintain green spaces with minimal human intervention. 7. Flexivol Interactive Holographic Display. Flexivol marks a transformative advancement in human-computer interaction. By projecting volumetric holograms into open air, Flexivol allows users to interact with digital content as though it were a tangible object. Ultrasonic transducers provide haptic feedback, creating the sensation of touch without physical contact. The system's potential extends beyond entertainment and education into high-stakes fields such as telemedicine, where surgeons could manipulate 3D models remotely, and architectural design, enabling clients to experience virtual walkthroughs of unbuilt spaces. Development teams are working on expanding color depth, resolution, and gesture recognition accuracy to further enhance user immersion. As the technology matures, Flexivol could redefine how people engage with digital content in both personal and professional settings. 6. Stretchable battery from Sweden. Swedish researchers have pioneered a stretchable battery that maintains consistent power output even when deformed up to twice its original length. This breakthrough employs a matrix of conductive nanomaterials and flexible polymers that preserve electrical pathways during stretching. The technology is poised to revolutionize wearables, soft robotics, and bio-integrated devices. Future adaptations could see the battery incorporated into flexible smartphones, military gear with embedded electronics, and smart textiles capable of storing and distributing power generated through kinetic movement. Such innovations will drive the next wave of flexible and resilient electronic ecosystems, enabling devices that conform to users' needs and withstand demanding conditions. 5. Agricultural robots for fumigation. China's agricultural robots embody the principles of precision agriculture by automating the complex task of pesticide application. These machines utilize GPS navigation, AI-driven environmental analysis, and multispectral imaging to deliver targeted treatment, minimizing chemical use and reducing ecological impact. Advanced models can autonomously adjust spraying patterns based on crop type, growth stage, and pest infestation levels. Beyond fumigation, research teams are integrating soil nutrient sensors and data analytics platforms to provide farmers with comprehensive crop health assessments, optimizing yields while promoting sustainable farming practices. This technological evolution supports a more efficient, environmentally friendly agricultural industry capable of feeding growing global populations. 4. Lightweight exoskeleton assists caregivers. ULS Robotics has engineered a 5-kilogram exoskeleton designed to augment human strength and reduce injury risk for caregivers and industrial workers. The system features actuated joints, load-distributing harnesses, and adaptive torque algorithms that respond to user movements. Initial versions support lifting tasks up to 30 kilograms, but upcoming models aim to increase lifting capacity while reducing energy consumption. Integration with biometric sensors and AI coaching systems is underway, offering real-time feedback on posture and movement efficiency. These developments promise to transform not only healthcare but also construction, manufacturing, and logistics industries. In the long term, such wearable robotics could become standard equipment in physically demanding professions, improving workplace safety and efficiency. 3. YKK's self-fastening zipper prototype. YKK's self-fastening zipper prototype addresses a fundamental challenge for individuals with limited dexterity. Utilizing a compact motorized mechanism, the zipper closes at the press of a button. Research teams are developing smartphone app integration and exploring voice-activated controls for greater accessibility. The technology's versatility opens possibilities in adaptive clothing, high-performance outdoor gear, and specialized uniforms such as spacesuits and hazardous materials suits. Future enhancements may include energy-efficient motors, waterproofing, and integration with smart textiles that provide user feedback or monitor environmental conditions. This innovation represents a step toward more inclusive design, improving daily life for people with mobility challenges. 2. Liquid robot navigates tight spaces. South Korean researchers have created a liquid robot that transitions between solid and liquid states using magnetically responsive materials and precision heating elements. This allows the robot to navigate complex, confined environments that are inaccessible to traditional rigid robots. Applications include search and rescue missions where the robot can enter collapsed structures and perform reconnaissance, as well as minimally invasive surgical procedures where flexibility and precision are paramount. Ongoing research focuses on improving locomotion efficiency, integrating autonomous decision-making, and expanding functional capabilities such as object manipulation and environmental sensing. This groundbreaking approach to robotics opens new possibilities for operations in extreme or hazardous environments. 1. Neuralink enables ALS patient to communicate. Neuralink's brain-computer interface BCI stands at the frontier of neurotechnology. Bradford Smith, an ALS patient, has used an implanted array of ultra-thin, flexible electrodes to transmit neural signals to an external computing device, enabling communication through thought alone. This groundbreaking technology not only restores essential communication for individuals with severe disabilities, but also lays the foundation for broader applications, including prosthetic control, cognitive enhancement, and potential restoration of sensory functions. Current research aims to increase data transmission rates, develop wireless capabilities, and create bidirectional interfaces that could one day allow for direct neural feedback or even complex thought-to-thought communication. As development progresses, this technology holds the promise of reshaping how humans interact with machines and overcoming physical limitations. From solar-powered laptops and self-fastening zippers to brain-controlled communication devices, these innovations illustrate the extraordinary progress being made across multiple fields. As these technologies continue to develop, they hold the promise of transforming daily life and addressing some of society's most pressing challenges. Remember to like and subscribe for more AI and tech news, and let's hear your thoughts in the comment.